So firstly we will go to insert. Here you will find the option of line graph, and I will select the line graph without marker, that is blank line graph. So I will place it here. I will resize it. Next, right click here. You will find the option of select data. Click here, and here you will find the option of add. Plus here series name, uh, 55 degrees centigrade. Select this cell. Next, in series value, remove existing values and select these values. Click on OK. Then again add the other series. Select series name, and then in series value select the other values. Click on OK, and then again click on add and select third series name, which is 4 degrees centigrade. Select this cell. Now click here, remove existing data and select this series of data. Click on OK. Now we have completed these series of data. Next, go to this edit option and select these days. Click on OK. Now you can see here the days appeared here. Click on OK. Now go to this plus sign and select axis title and chart title. Select these grid lines, remove these, and select this chart title. Put equal sign in formula bar. And select this cell which contains the title. Press enter.